Hello and welcome to this Thanksgiving celebration of a video. We are going to do something a little harvesty. If you celebrate something other than Thanksgiving, happy that. If you don't celebrate at all, happy Thursday. And whatever kind of day you're having today, I hope it is magical and wonderful. I have always loved Thanksgiving. There we go. I've always loved Thanksgiving, and we're just going to enjoy the holiday as a time to give thanks and show gratitude for all the blessings and sometimes even the struggles that we have in our life. While we do that, we're going to make a pumpkin, a really, really pretty pumpkin, and we're going to lay down some gold first. This is actually inspired by somebody who I will link down below. I don't have their name directly in front of me. And if I turn anything on, it plays music, and I don't want any music in the background. But I saw a really cute video a few weeks ago by a talented artist who made the prettiest pumpkin. I've changed the process the tiniest bit from their video, but essentially it's the same. And you'll see a shout out to them in the comment section, not the comment section, in the doobly-doo, the little description box. There you go. You can tell I watched the Vlog Brothers because I said doobly-doo. So if you're a Vlog Brothers fan, do not forget to be awesome. So we're just using this real pretty gold. Sorry if I seem low-key today, guys. I actually am feeling a lot better. Still a little stuffly, and you can probably hear that in my voice. But I just am a little low energy today. That's all. There's nothing really to explain. You know, I've not been feeling great, and so I'm a little low energy, and I apologize for that. I'm trying to reserve my energy for going downstairs and helping with the last part of getting dinner ready. So we have a huge feast being prepared downstairs. We started it last night. I baked pies. If you're on my Instagram, maybe you saw them. They are going to be delicious. It's an apple, a cherry, and 2 pumpkins. And then we also have a pumpkin cheesecake and a regular cheesecake. There's going to be turkey and some sort of beef. I forget what it is, but 2 different flavors. He marinated them 2 different ways. Stuffing, a Brussels sprout side that's got all kinds of stuff, bacon and nuts and spinach and all kinds of stuff in it. Cranberries, I think, too. Just so many things. Mashed potatoes and gravy. And I think there's some more stuff, too. Some bread for sure. You know, there's cheese down there and crackers and just so much food. So, but we're going to have a big group over as well. So it's just going to be a big, fun, awesome party. Also, my ex-husband's going to be here, the kid's father, which we've not seen each other a ton since I moved back to Las Vegas, but a little bit, and it's fine. I mean, I don't anticipate any drama. Everything's fine, but it's just weird when I see him because he's just not part of my life anymore, and it's like looking into the past, but in a weird way, because he definitely is starting to look like an older guy. So just same as me, right? We're the same age. So it's weird. It's just weird. And he's got a baby now, which I find kind of amusing. But whatever. It's going to be a huge family celebration. There's going to be family and friends here. My kids, almost all my grandkids. My oldest granddaughter is actually going to be with her boyfriend's family for the day, but we're going to have her for Christmas this year. So I'm super excited about that. Anyway, it's just going to be a fun holiday. So let me catch up to the video. I made the little gold pumpkins, and I just laid them out with the Nicole Diary stamping polish in gold. And now I'm just using the same polish that we used on the other nails, the other 2 nails. I'm just filling in the sections of the pumpkins, but I'm leaving gold between each section, and it gives it a really beautiful look. After I made the pumpkins, I did and put down those pretty like stalks of wheat or whatever they are. I just think they're cute. I'm gonna say wheat. I'm gonna say they're wheat. Anyway, after I put those down, I did do a matte top coat. And we're going to keep the entire nail matte, except right here what I'm doing is taking some top coat and just, and this is shiny top coat, and filling in the pumpkin with it. And it does give it a slightly raised look, but what I really wanted it to do is just to make it shiny. And that way the pumpkin pops a little bit more off the nail. And the other nails that match the pumpkin color, they actually are going to be shiny as well. So that carries that theme all the way through the set, but we still have a half matte, half shiny set. So I think it's a really good effect. I am actually skipping the gems. I put some gems on the other two nails, but I did not put that in the video, probably because I'm feeling a little low energy. And even now, with another minute that I need to talk, I'm struggling to find something to talk about. Guys, it's really ridiculous. It's really silly. But honestly, I've got a video today, and I wasn't sure that was going to happen. So yesterday I sat down and banged these out. It took a little longer than it should have because there was actually a different idea, and this was my fallback plan. Because I couldn't make the other thing work out. I was just feeling a little too shaky. But this is the finished set, you guys. I really like these. I think they represent the harvest season and the Thanksgiving holiday perfectly. Thank you guys so much for spending a little bit of your Thanksgiving with me today, or whatever day it is for you. Thank you so much. We are going to see you on Saturday for something else. Bye-bye.